Assalamualaikum and hi everyone. My name is Siti Norsyakira Binti I will present to you about the impact of economic inflation on real estate investment during COVID-19. So now, we'll look to the slide about discussion of finding. The first one, or the first section, is about demography analysis. So now, we'll talk about the gender pie chart. There are two genders that include in this survey, such as male and females. So the most or the highest gender in this research is female, about 87.50%, about 28 people, and the lowest is male, about 12.50%, about 4 people. The second pie chart show about age. The highest percentage for age in purple color, about 90.63%, 29% included. The second highest is green color, about 6.25%, 2% included, and the lowest is 3.13%, blue color, about 1% included in this survey. The highest percentage in this pie chart show that the respondent, about 24 to 25 years old, were involved. And the next second highest, about 21 to 23 years old of respondent were involved, and the lowest one is about 18 to 20 years old of respondent involved in this survey. Pie chart show about the current work done by respondent. There are two options stated in the survey, such as part-time job and student, to be chosen by respondent. Part-time job have 3.13%, the lowest percentage, about 1% who working, and the highest is student, about 96.88%, 31% who was a student. The pie chart show about the monthly salary of respondent. The highest percentage in this pie chart is about 96.9% by the blue color, about 31% who does not have the monthly salary because they are student, and the lowest percentage is about 3.1%, the green color, about 1% who has a salary, monthly salary, about RM 1,000 to RM 1,500. The last pie chart in the demography analysis show about current semester of respondent study. The highest percentage is SEM 4, about 84.38%, 27% included. Next, the second highest is SEM 1 and SEM 2 share the same percentage, about 6.3%, 2% each. And the last one, the lowest percentage, is SEM 3, about 3.1%, 1% included. Now, we'll move to the section 2, objective 1, to identify the main factors that contribute in the impact of economic inflation on real estate investment during COVID-19. In the table of descriptive statistics, show 3 questions included in objective 1, such as question 1, question 2, and question 3. The good standard is in question 3, about 1.4317 mean value. The respondent answer yes in the answer survey, about 78.1%, 25% included, agree that the demand pull inflation arises when demand exceeds the supply of goods and services in an economy. The bad standard is question 1, about 2.4375 mean value, about 12% included, and 37.5% answer C in the answer section. Now we'll move to the next slide about section 3, objective 2, to investigate on how the economic inflation affected the real estate investment during COVID-19. So here I use the descriptive statistic or descriptive analysis about 3 questions included in the section 3, objective 2, about question 4, question 5 and question 7. The best standard is question 7 because the mean value is higher, about 2.5653. In this question, there are 25% who answer maybe, about 78.1% because the respondent not confident that inflation can give positive return in real estate investment during COVID-19. Meanwhile, the good standard is in question 4 because the mean value about 2.3125 because the respondent were given the multiple choice to answer the question and most answer choose by respondent is the current rate of investment policy will be exchanged. About 56.3%, 80% included. So we will look to the last section in this slide, section 4, objective 3, to explore the correlation between the impact of economic inflation on real estate investment during COVID-19. I use the same descriptive statistic table or descriptive technique and the 3 questions included in the objective 3 such as question 9, 10 and 11. The good standard is question 11 about 1.1563 mean value because the respondent about 81.3%, 29% included, agree that rising of interest rate were the impact of inflation that can make the commercial real estate value which can cause real estate investor have a fear of falling property value. Meanwhile, the lowest standard is question 10 about 1.4688 mean value. This shows that the higher the mean value, the increases of standard. The reason is the respondent about 71.9%, 23% included, agree that the value of commercial real estate most often are based on net income, so rent and expenses should also increase or rise in inflation. That's all from me. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.